How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can get yourself the 3 extra months for free on the yearly plan with ExpressVPN. Now, typically when you go to the website without any discount codes or coupon codes or anything like that, the best discount you're going to get is what you see right here, which is $8.32 a month for the yearly plan. And as you can tell right here, you have no 3 extra months for free. However, let's just click off of that. And if you click the link in the description down below, you're going to be able to claim 3 extra months for free. The coupon code will be automatically applied. As you can tell, special deal, 12 months plus 3 months for free. And that is pretty much it. Though if you're interested in learning a little bit more about the privacy policy, speed streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, you'll find the full review down below. And of course, keep in mind that all the deals right here are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, no matter which plan you select. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.